learn how to actually give a nice firm handshake. After which we're going to add the introduction. Okay? You ready?
Yes.
All right. Right leg, right arm. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Like not too far?
That's beautiful.
Okay.
Once you go in, make sure your thumbs lock.
Okay.
And then close your hand, the thumb down. Yes. And 1, 2, 3, and we're back. Beautiful. Now I want to do that again without me having to tell you. Make sure the webs of your hand, of your thumbs, yes. 1, 2, 3. Thumb down. Finger, you're holding my hand, not my arm. So your finger should be on my hand.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Sorry, it's so better, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do that one more time.
Okay.
That's okay. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Yes. Now let's add introduction.
Okay.
I'm going to speak first, and we'll see where you take it from there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking.
Oh, no problem. Hope you have a great day.
No, thank you. You still introduced me. So I just said thank you for asking. You then say you're welcome.
Oh, true.
Yeah.
But then I feel like we said so many thank yous.
But it's small talk.
Oh, okay.
So get the small talk out of the way. If I happen to ask you how you're doing, I'm initiating the small talk.
Yeah.
So don't be in a hurry to get your name out. Don't be in a hurry to get out of here. All right? Just let's have that process.
All right,
okay?
fine.
1, 2, 3. Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome.
By the way, your name is?
I'm Lena. What's your name?
So you don't ask what's your name. Okay? So naturally, we're in the introduction process. The name will be revealed. So if I say, by the way, your name is, you would say your name, and then automatically I share my name.
Is it rude to ask their name?
Yeah, it's kind of elementary.
Oh, okay.
We really don't say, what's your name?
What if they think it's rude? What if they think it's rude that you didn't ask them their name? Like, while she's not even going to ask my name?
Yeah, no, see, it's a natural reciprocation.
Okay.
Yeah, just like I ask how you're doing, it's natural that you would ask how I'm doing.
But usually I would. Oh.
So maybe you are supposed to ask, so hi, so what's your name or something?
So
Since
she said you don't say it there, she's going to
So
say
you
it by
gotta say,
herself.
what's your name? I just said, and your name is?
And I
By
was
the
like,
way, your name is? Yeah, there's a way to sound more polished
Yeah.
than for, like a child would say, what's your name?
Yeah.
We would say, by the way, your name is, or you are.
Yeah.
Okay?
oh, okay.
So that's more professional and more polished. So let's do that again. 1, 2, 3. Hi, how are you?
How are you? I'm doing well. What about you?
I'm wonderful. Thank you for asking.
Oh, you're welcome.
Wonderful. So, what did, your name is?
I'm Lena.
Nice to meet you, Lena. I'm Mrs. Thompson.
Oh, what a beautiful name.
Oh, thank you so much. It's so great to meet you.
You too.
All
Have a
right.
wonderful day.
You too. That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Good job. All right. Okay, let's stop there. You got your thumb down, but your finger's over here.
And I'm like, really?
So we want to shake the hand.
Okay.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Let's do that again. We don't want this. We're shaking the forearm.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. This remains in place.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Okay. Let's add the introduction. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, how are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome. And by the way, your name is?
My name's Alexis.
You just said my name is.
Oh, I did, didn't I?
Yes.
You said my name's Alexis.
See, I always say
I
I'm
didn't say my name is, though.
No, you'd say I'm.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, how are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome. By the way your name is?
I'm Alexis.
I'm Mrs. Thompson. So nice to meet you.
It's great to meet you, too.
All right. Woo! Awesome.
Yay!
Yes.